Patio retaining walls, cracking, or leaning? Fixing those issues fast can save you a lot of headaches and keep your outdoor space looking awesome. So, first off, check the drainage behind your retaining wall, because water buildup is usually the main culprit for cracks and leaning. Make sure there's gravel or a drainage pipe behind the wall to let water escape easily. Like, if water just sits there, it pushes against the wall and makes it move or crack over time. Next, inspect the wall for any obvious damage or loose blocks and tighten or replace them as needed. Add some backfill material if the soil behind has settled or washed away. Also, consider planting grass or ground cover near the wall to help absorb water and reduce erosion. If you see big cracks or serious leaning, it might be time to call a pro to assess whether the wall needs rebuilding or reinforcement. Keep an eye on the wall regularly, especially after heavy rain or freezing weather, so you catch problems early. Finally, avoid putting too much weight on top of the wall because extra pressure can cause it to fail. One of the biggest mistakes people make with patio retaining walls, cracking or leaning, is ignoring poor drainage behind the wall, which leads to water pressure buildup that damages the structure. Fix it by installing proper drainage systems like perforated pipes and gravel backfill. Another common issue is using the wrong materials or not compacting soil properly, causing walls to shift. Make sure you use strong materials made for retaining walls and compact soil tightly during installation. Lastly, many don't maintain their walls regularly, missing early signs of damage and letting small cracks turn into big problems. Keep checking your walls and repair minor issues quickly to avoid costly fixes. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who really know how to handle stuff like patio retaining wall repairs. It also helps contractors find new clients who need their skills, so everyone wins when it comes to home projects.